Well, it appears one of our friends, the Manatee, has decided to come keep us company today. Welcome back, guys, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions back down here at the ramp, and today we are visiting Point Marina. And our crew's coming in on approach. Got plenty of hands here to help out, it looks like. So Cap's making his turn. Gonna try and turn into the wind and current a little bit. This is going to be a difficult approach. We're getting lines on the ready. Cap's telling everybody grab a pole. And Cap leaves the helm and goes for the grab, but misses. He's gonna watch out. He's gonna run into the boat in front of him. Brakes, bro. Hit the brakes. And oh man, they're going into that boat. So one of the girls is up front. Looks like she's going to try and make sure it doesn't happen. He's drifted off with the wind and current. Did they miss? I can't tell if they missed or hit or not. They're blocking the boat, but the guy who's from the boat in front of them is kind of looking a little mystified standing over here on the dock. He's asking for a line. They give him the toss, and he grabs it. He starts carrying the bow over, but Cap's got it in reverse. Gonna try and pull him in. Going for the stretch. And we'll get it over. But that was close, man. I'm pretty sure he hit the boat in front of him. But maybe not. I mean, the guy on the dock quickly reached in, grabbed the line for him, and isn't saying anything. I know if somebody hit my boat, I'd probably be saying something. So maybe they just missed. And here we go, another truck stuck on the ramp. And this one, there's nothing even on the trailer. The boat is not on the trailer. So our guys are gonna try, see if we can bounce them out. So our guys are jumping back out of the truck. Maybe we've decided not to do that. And here we go. We're going to give him one more shot. We're going to throw all three in this time. And let's see if that's going to be enough to get it out of here. Here we go. That's not going to do it so far. And we've got a few more people showing up, it looks like. Well, at least one more guy. He's going to jump in as well. My man's still sliding backwards. When he's hitting the gas, he's going the wrong direction. Wisely puts it on the brakes. And that's a tricky situation there, where if you're hitting the gas, even with these guys in the back, and you're going backwards, you're in a little bit of trouble. You might have to power this out and get the boat back on the trailer, maybe? Or we might need a tow out on this one. I'm not sure he's going to be able to power this one out just by throwing more weight in the back of the truck. So we've had a few more attempts and still have gotten nowhere on this one. And I believe we've kind of given up, and we're going to go for the tow. So our man here, you see backing up with the boat on the back of the truck, is going to try and hook up to him and see if he can pull him out. Unique approach. Now, I do know when you're actually pulling somebody out, it is typically recommended you do it in reverse. We don't see that a lot here at the ramp because when you've got a trailer behind you like this, it makes it more difficult. And so we see a lot more people in this situation tend to try and just, if they've got a trailer on, they'll hook the line to the trailer and to the front of the other truck and try and pull them out. But our guy's gonna do a little complexity to this by doing it in reverse. There's not a whole lot of room behind them, so that's where it's going to get interesting when he starts trying to back up. How far can he actually back up with the trailer and the boat attached? So it looks like they might have the line set to go. We're going to give it a shot and see how she rolls. Here we go. Starting with the pullout. Looks like they still haven't gotten the line even tight yet. And here we go. Making their move. And that'll be good to go. And with not much room to spare. Once again, you can see right here, really, that's about as far back as our guy in this other truck could go with the trailer behind him. But that's a unique way of doing it. I still think this is the first time I've seen anybody do it this way with a trailer on the back as well. I could be wrong. I don't know the weight specs off the top of my head, but the Armada, it seems a little light probably on the towing capacity for this boat, but it could be well within range, but here we go. He's gonna go and try and do the pull out. And as expected, we're seeing some tires spinning. But he's not going to back down. It doesn't look like he's just going to try and give her hell and get her out. Probably going to need a little bit of a running start on this one, though. Is he going to back down, or is he going to just try and pull it out from right here? No, he's trying to stay up top. And there he goes. He's starting to get a little bit of a grip. Wow, he's actually going to get it out. I'm surprised. I thought for sure they were going to have to back this one down, get a little bit of a running start, and get it going. And like I said, this could be within its towing capacity, man, but that's just a heavy boat to be trying to get up the ramp, especially when it's a little slick like this. But they're on their way out of here, and speaking of getting out of here, we're going to get out of here as well. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, we do some great comedy boating videos over there as well. And of course, we've got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.